Mizizi Classifieds. My name is George Mboro, the CEO of Mizizi Africa Homes Limited. And Mizizi Classifieds is our department as Mizizi Africa Homes Limited. And it's a way of giving back to the society. As Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, we are so grateful to God because despite the corona, despite the ups and downs, we have managed to beat the waves, we have managed to continue walking the journey, and Mizizi continues to thrive, continues to grow from up all the way up. We want to appreciate this opportunity that God has given unto us, and we want to reach out to other people, other businesses. Businesses have been hit very hard. Businesses have been hit very hard by the corona pandemic, and most people are trying to come back out of their needs. We as Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, we have realized that advertisement and getting your product known in the market is very important. But we have also realized that hiring brand ambassadors, hiring people who can make your product be known, your business be known, is very expensive. And that is why we want to welcome you, to invite you as a business person, as somebody who is offering a service, as somebody who is offering a product, as somebody who is in business, a startup or a business that has been there, but because of the corona pandemic, it has gone down. We want to come together so that we can grow our brands, grow our products, grow our businesses, so that we can get us back onto our feet and work. Mizizi Classified is a CSR department by Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, because we as Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, we have managed to come out of it, and now we thank God because we believe very soon we will be out of the woods, and everybody will be vaccinated and the economy will be opened. And to help you open up your business, continue the business, we have come with Mizizi Classifieds so that you, the seller and the buyer, we can have a meeting point. If you are selling a product, we can be able to advertise your product using influencers, using big names, using the main market, the fourth estate, using the main media, using the upcoming online medias, using influencers, using brand ambassadors. When we join hands and we are able to contribute something very small, then we are able to give that something very small to the advertisers. We are able to have banners, we are able to have billboards, we are able to have advertisements, we are able to have brand ambassadors, influencers, by paying very small amounts. So that Mizizi Classified is whereby if you need a product, you'll be running to. If you need to sell something, you'll be running to. So we are saying, let us shop and sell smarter. If you have a shop and you are selling, it's high time you sell your product smarter. You do not need to have a very big space which you are paying so much rent. You can have your goods, your services somewhere interior, but you can market them somewhere people where they are seen. That is if you are selling. If you also buy something, you are shopping something, you are buying, you need to find it conveniently, and it will be delivered at your doorstep. It will be delivered cheaply, affordably. Yeah, so this is something that is helping the consumer as well as the seller. Yeah, we are bringing them together as Mizizi Classified, and we are making it easy because we know we need to get out of the woodlock, that is the corona pandemic, and we need to grow our economy. So we are very grateful as Mizizi Africa Homes Limited to bring to you Mizizi Classified, where we say, let us shop and sell smarter, so that we can be able to realize our dreams effortlessly. Yeah, Mizizi Classifieds, we will be advertising all kinds of services, all kinds of goods, and all kinds of anything. If you're selling anything, you're welcome to Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, and we have offers that are free of charge. You can come and place your product for free. Then you can be able to, if you want to put more products, and if you want them to be seen even to a broader audience, you can pay something small, starting from 125 shillings only. 125 shillings only, and your product is seen by more people. And if you want to, even more people, you can be able to have at only 250. You will have several kinds of you have platform, you have gold, all those. If you want to reach more audience, to reach more people, you just pay slightly more. If you have more products, you pay slightly more. Yeah, and when we do that, we are able to bring our goods and services affordably to more people, and our country is going to get out of the woodlock. Moving forward in future, we want to have Mizizi Classifieds even going to other countries in Africa and even outside Africa, all over. The world is becoming a global village. Online is the way to go, and we as Mizizi will be on the forefront to make sure that we continue growing together, so that our dream can come true, so that we can educate our children, so that we can be able to grow as a people and make our country the middle income earning country that it deserves to be. Thank you very much. God bless. Welcome to Mizizi. If you get this message, pass it on to your friend. Pass it on. Pass it on. This is a baton that we have started. Let us pass it on all over. We have started in Nairobi. We'll be going to Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, Eldoret, Meru, all over. Kiambu, Murang'a. We are coming in all the major towns and everywhere, including the local areas, because business happens everywhere. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Okay, now we give the CEO the scissors to open for us Mizizi Classifieds.
Umbali umetufikisha baba, umbali ni upendo wako baba, sitwasema asante. Umetuchagua baba, sitwasema asante. Umetuchagua baba, mbali nimefika, siwezi rudi nyuma, dunia mviringo.
Before we continue, tunataka pastor tuombe tena, like tukikuwa ndani ya Mizizi Classified office. Nataka pastor tuombe, tukikuwa hapa ndani, like tufungue na Mungu sasa, kama si wote tuko ndani ya Mizizi Classified. Pastor, take the floor.
Hamjambo. Bwana asifiwe. Yangu ni kuwashukuru sababu ya kupatikana siku ya leo na kukuja tusherehekee hii siku ambayo Bwana ameifanya. Na siku ya leo tunafungua branch mpya ama another department ya Mizizi Africa Homes Limited ambayo inaitwa Mizizi Classifieds. Na kwa kawaida sisi kama Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, mwongozo wetu ni neno, mwongozo wetu ni Mungu. Tunashukuru Mungu kwa sababu ya kuwa na mchungaji ambaye ametupatia tukue tunatembea na yeye safari. Na kabla tupate speeches kutoka kwa watu tofauti, nataka kualika pastor sababu najua lazima kuna kitu Mungu ameweka ndani yake. Tutapatia kipaumbele pastor, atupatie neno ya siku ya leo, atuzungumzie na atutie nguvu kutokana na neno. Na kutoka hapo tutakuwa tumelaunch Mizizi Classifieds officially, na mimi kama CEO nitakuja na tutazungumza mawili matatu, tutaelewa zaidi Mizizi Classifieds ni kitu gani. Lakini kabla tufanye hivyo, niko na furaha nikimkaribisha pastor wetu, Pastor Birangu, achukue na atupatie neno ya siku ya leo. Karibu pastor.
Asante.
Kwa hivyo iko baraka itaingia kwa hii nyumba. Haleluya, katika jina lake Yesu Kristo. Na yoyote atakuwa anaingia kwa ile mlango akuwe anabarikiwa kwa jina la Yesu Kristo. Haleluya, na tutaona mkono wake. Haleluya, hii ni mwanzo. Na mwanzo watu wanaonanga kama mtatoboa. Wengine wanawapea majina, wengine lakini tukikaa kama Joshua na Caleb wakati walianza safari walishikana. Kwa hivyo hapa tunatakiwa kushikana. Haleluya. Na tukishikana kwa hii safari tutafika mahali tunataka katika jina la Yesu Kristo. Ninyi ndio mtajulikana na mataifa dunia. Haleluya. Usitafute mwingine atakuja kalia hiyo kiti. Ni wewe. Haleluya. Nawe jitolee katika jina la Yesu Kristo. Haleluya. Hautawachwa nyuma. Haleluya. Wale wengine wakikuja kubarikiwa, hata wewe utabarikiwa wapi? Hapo. Haleluya. Kwa jina la Yesu Kristo. Sina maneno mingi. Haleluya. Mimi nimesema mbarikiwe na muinuliwe na tuendelee sawa. Na ninajua siku moja tutakuja kurudisha shukrani tukiwa wapi? Hapa. Haleluya. Kwa jina lake Yesu Kristo. Kwa hivyo ubarikiweni.
Asante pastor, asante pastor sana. Pili pastor makofi. Makofi yako kwa. Sasa ile segment tunataka tualike mtu yote ambaye ana speech encouragement kuhusu shughuli ambayo tumeanza ya Mizizi Classified. Anything, any encouragement, hata kama unataka kupatia maombi mengine unaweza tupatia. Anybody, the floor is open sasa hivi.
Leo hii tuna launch Mizizi Classified. Hapa you can buy and sell anything hapa kwa Mizizi Classified. Kwa hivyo tunamkaribisha. Pia mnaweza ingia kwa website, muangalie what we are doing there. Kuna vitu wetu wamesha post so that you can see for yourself. Asanteni sana, karibuni Mizizi.
Hujatuambia jina.
Jina ni Benson ama Kimondo.
Asante sana Benson. Bro pia nieleze.
Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe tena. Langu kwanza ni congratulate the Mizizi family for hii safari yenu and the new step that we take. This is a good achievement that you've done. Na nataka kuombea baraka nyingi na Mungu aendelee kuinua mnapoendelea na hii kazi nzuri, na pia mpate nguvu ya kuendelea hata kufanya mambo mengi zaidi. Bwana asifiwe.
Yanasema si safari ya kwanza ama ya kwanza kupata jambo kama hili. Tumemwona Mungu akituanzisha safari zingine na tumeona hatima yake. Mwanzo wa kitu unaweza kuwa ni mgumu, lakini mwisho wake ni bora zaidi. Hivyo ndivyo inasema. Mwisho wa jambo ni bora zaidi kuliko mwanzo wake. So wakati huu tunaweza kuwa na wengi bali, lakini Mungu aliyekuwa pamoja nasi jana mpaka leo na siku za usoni pia atakuwa pamoja nasi. Mungu ni Bwana mlimani na pia mabondeni. So tunapoendelea tunajua Mungu atatufanyia na tupigania katika kila jambo.
Kwa salama. Mimi ni Dan Kimadi. Yangu ni machache tu kusema kazi imeanza na sisi ndio kazi. So tuishikilie na mikono zote. Asanteni.
Bwana asifiwe. Amen. Majina naitwa Alice Wawero na nimeokoka. Bwana ni mwokozi wa maisha yangu. Na mimi nimefurahi sana kwa Mizizi Classified na naona inaenda mbali kabisa, na tunajua Mungu atatuongoza na kwa kila kitu, na kila kitu itaenda vizuri. Mungu awabariki na mkoe na jioni njema.
Asante.
God is good and all the time. Naitwa Maria Begwa. Napenda Yesu. So nasema si Mungu ametutoa step nyingine, ametuleta mbali. Tuamini kwamba atatupeleka mbali zaidi. Mbarikiwe.
Barizeni. Naitwa Patrick. Yangu ni kidogo sana. For any company in any industry, grow lazima mkue innovative na mnaangalia mbele. So niko very proud of Mizizi Africa for kukua innovative na kuja na kwa group kuongeza another branch that we are very proud of. God bless.
Good evening. Naitwa Elijah. I'm very happy kwa hii sherehe kufungua ofisi nyingine. Naona Mungu anatupeleka mbali. Na shukrani mingi kwa customers wa Mizizi Africa Homes, sababu ndio wametuwezesha kufika hapa. Tuko na furaha mingi na tunawaambia muendelee kuwa na sisi ndio tuende mbali. Shukrani.
Now, without further ado, let me welcome the CEO to come and speak to us. Bwana siyo.
Yeah, asante sana. God is good. And all the time. Yeah, thank you very much. And I want to appreciate you for your presence. And I want to appreciate you who is watching us as we do the launching of Mizizi Classifieds. Mizizi Classifieds is basically a way of us as Mizizi Africa Homes Limited giving back to the society. Because as Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, we have been able to go through the corona pandemic, and we are still standing strong, and we still continue. When corona came, we as Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, just like everybody else, any business, any person, we were concerned, and we had uncertainties of what was going to happen, because we knew that there's a pandemic, there's a lockdown, people are told to stay at home, people are told there's no movement, but again, you still have children who are looking up to you, you have bills which you have to settle, you have a life which you must continue, you have school fees and what have you. So we as Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, what we did is we had to innovate. One of us has said that for any company, for any business to thrive, we must be innovative. We had to be innovative and look for ways to continue doing business. And lucky enough, and with God's help, we were able to see an opportunity online. And ourselves, we managed to sit down, to brainstorm, to bring our heads together, and we saw ways of how we can be able to market our houses. We were a startup at that time in 2020, in March, and we had to look for a way as a startup business, as a startup company that wants to give affordable housing. What can we do? And we saw the easiest way, and by God's help, we noted that online there's a very big opportunity, and we were able to study and understand some of the companies, most of them international companies that do listings. Listings, if you have a business like we have with Mizizi Africa Homes Limited, we were able to list our houses, and from that we were able to get customers, because previously we used to go out to meet customers one-on-one. We go on the roads, we give out flyers, we go on exhibitions, we display what we are offering, we go, yeah, those were our main methods, flyers, exhibitions, and basically manual ways. Also trying to reach the mainstream media adverts, which is not easy, because for you to put an advert in the mainstream media, you have to have at least a good budget. So the easiest way and the cheapest method was to go on the listings, listing companies, and with that we were able to go and list. Then with time, we noted that most of those listing companies, they are international. They do not, some of them do not have offices here in our country. They do not actually understand the business in Kenya. They do not understand the challenges. And after understanding them 100%, and also making use of them to go through the pandemic, we now believe it is high time, because we believe now vaccination is coming, and very soon our country is going to be opened up for business. It is time that we get our solutions homemade, so that the solutions that we got that were being offered by the international maybe companies and listing companies, we can now, we as Kenyans, we ourselves will take the initiative. And from there, we combined a team of high qualified IT people who are very qualified, IT gurus. And we combined our minds together and our ideas, and we managed to create a very vibrant website that is called Mizizi Classifieds. Mizizi Classifieds is basically a website whereby we are bringing the seller as well as the buyer together. And for the seller, you incur a very small cost, And if you do not have anything, we are also having a free opportunity where you can bring your goods and services for free of charge. It's a way of giving back to society free of charge. And for the people who will be paying something small, we'll have a platform as well as a gold platform. If you do not have many goods and you do not want to take the goods to so many people, you can do for free. If you want to take to more people, you pay something small, starting from 125 shillings or 250 shillings. And this money, once we combine this money, we are going to be in a position whereby we are going to employ influencers, we are going to get brand ambassadors for Mizizi Classifieds, we are going to get to put billboards, we are going to make sure that your product, which will be listed in our Mizizi Classifieds, is reaching far and wide. With a little amount, which we are going to utilize very well to make sure we get brand ambassadors, we get every platform, we even venture into the mainstream media so that they can advertise your services. We have noted that one way that we were able to overcome as Mizizi is that we managed to get brand ambassadors who could understand our product and who could take this product to the outside world. And for you to do that, you need a budget. And most of our businesses, to get a budget, to get an influencer, to get a brand ambassador is hectic because we are barely trying to survive, we are barely trying to make a coin. So with the small amount, 125 shillings per month, if we do that for 1,000 businesses, 10,000 businesses, and we join hands, that small money is going to ensure that our products are reaching to the buyer. And the buyer is also going to get these goods, is going to be able to compare the prices, is going to compare who is delivering fast, and eventually, by the time our economy is coming back to normal, we'll have a very vibrant, homemade solution to our selling and buying. And already, not only here in Kenya, even all over the world has become a global village, and online is the way to go. Nowadays, we have seen businesses, most of them, they are ideas that have come from outside. We have, for example, noted something like Notify Me, which is in the country, whereby you go and place your product as a display, and you have them, the main goods inside or somewhere at a go down. We have noted there's something called Airbnb, whereby people are able to give services, whereby people need rent and such things very affordably. We have seen bookings, travel. The world is going to online, and we as Kenyans, it is high time we are not left out. We have seen that in our country we have the best brains, especially when it comes to things online, when it comes to things digital, and we have combined these brains in our Kenya, our country, and they have brought us something very unique, Mizizi Classified. So we welcome you if you have a small business. Our offices are centrally located opposite Sarit Center. You are much welcome. Call us 0720-790-2215. You'll find us, we'll explain to you. And I can assure you, once you get inside this house, as our pastor has said, for sure you are going to find your blessing. If you have been in business which is struggling, come join hands. We help you get your product out there. As long as it is legitimate, as long as it is quality, as long as it is good. We welcome you to Mizizi, and we as Mizizi Classifieds will also be going the extra mile to ensure that we do not have wrong people, dubious people. If we notice that you are selling something, you are not legit, for sure this is not your place, and we are going to smoke you out, and you are going to pay for it. So we welcome legit people. If you are in business, you want to be held hands, come. We walk the journey. At the end of the day, we can be able to come from our knees. We stand, we rise, and we start moving, and we start running so that our economy can grow. Thank you very much once again. Welcome to Mizizi Classified. If you hear this information, pass it on to another person, and that is how we are going to help each other. I want to introduce one of the brains that was behind the Mizizi Classified. and he's one of our IT guys, Alex Care. Thank you because together with the coordination and cooperation of other IT gurus, they burned the midnight oil and they were able to come up with that website, which is very vibrant, very secure, and he can tell us one or two things about how they went about it, and yeah, the security, something small. Karibu sana, Alex.
As you were, my name is Alex Kea. I'm an IT specialist here in Mizizi Africa Homes. So, about the Mizizi Africa Classified, in the idea tulifikiria, tukaona people are looking for a way to sell their goods. I mean, like wewe unaweza kuwa ni mama mboga, wewe unaweza kuwa unaweza kitunguu pale chini, uko na business yako pale a stall in town. So we thought about it. As you understand, since last year when pandemic came, COVID, so most of the businesses will move online, and people were looking for a way to find clients so that they can sell their products too. As you understand, people working from home also ile to move to shops, as well as to maybe kuangalia the way just to source the customers, I mean the clients. So we thought about it, pia tunaweza wasaidia to improve their businesses na kuuza their products. So we came up this platform so that we can help them. Na nitulikaa chini with my CEO, Mr. George, and a team of guys. We thought about it. Yeah, na tukaanza kuiwakia. So far we are grateful ile place tumefikia. And tuko na imani sana, so this thing is going to work. This is classified, naenda ku market products. So I guess in a bengi, we are going to do a lot in terms of marketing. Now we are going to make sure naenda kuwa hapo juu. So kama uko na product yako pale chini, uko na stall yako, uko na shop yako, we are inviting you kuja wacha tukue pamoja tufanye hii business, and we are going to take it far. Yeah, asanteni.
Yeah, Santi, Alex, and I want to encourage you, if you are there, it is said the early bird catches the worm. We are first of all starting by targeting the people who have the businesses, so that by the time we do massive marketing, by the time we get brand ambassadors who are making it very known, we already have a good number of people who are selling. And if you get here first, the better for you, because by the time we bring the big number of customers, already we will be there. So we are welcoming you if you have a business. If you want to understand more, welcome. We have an office, and that's why we are launching this office officially here opposite Sarit Center. Come, we explain to you more. Come enroll, come join us, so that by the time we bring big traffic, by the time we bring these brand ambassadors, by the time we have billboards all over, your business is already listed.
Okay, without further ado, nataka bwana CEO karibia hapa hivi kidogo. Nataka sasa kupop champagne. Semeni pop champagne. Pop champagne. Sasa hapo ndio ile najua hapa ndio kila mtu anaenjoy kuongea, watu wengi wapendi kuongea. Hapa ndio watu wanaenjoy sasa. So bwana CEO atashika champagne yetu kwanza arashe hiyo hapo hivyo. Itoe hizo fireworks. Makofi. Makofi. Nice. Sasa CEO anachukua, naweza mtolea hiyo safu. Fungo tu baka hiyo. Yeah, music. Acha kwanza shake kwanza, alafu ndo afungue. Na mimi tuone kifanya. Tingisha. Anatingisha na makofi pia. Tingisha na makofi. Ndio. Nice. Yeah. Beautiful cake ndio hapo. Kama msaidie kufungua. Nice. Hiyo ni champagne. Kwa hapo iko sasa. Tingisha. Nice. Tingisha kabisa. Sasa, ndio time. Kana jua unapiga mna 1 2 makofi. Makofi endelea. Nice. Haya hapo sasa hiyo extra glass. Wewe umpatie glass moja yake. Nataka mtu mmoja kuja hapo. Pasta unaweza enda kusaidia kushika. Tunajua kama kinywaji ni kadogo, sasa kuna soda hapo kando pia. Kama itafikia kila mtu. Tuko na soda. Sasa msijaji ati chupa ni moja. Tuko na soda, wengine pia watajiburudisha na soda hapo hivyo. Nice. More success. Camera guys. Mwangalie camera video at least upate hiyo picture. Camera and video guys. Nice. Haijalipuka leo. Nice. For more success, Mizizi Classifieds. Ukiwa ready kwa camera mtuambie. After this we are going to the cutting of the cake. Nice. Kabisa.
Wasee? Wasee ya. Mizizi Classifieds?